You know what? Prices of the tools doesn't matter at all, but skill does. Cheaper tools gives the same result. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Wondering which tools are necessary to have when you are a hyper-realistic portrait artist? Let me tell you. Let's just start with the pencils first. These are charcoal pencils. There are three grades: hard, neutral, soft. Red one is for hard, this is the lightest pencil. Neutral, yellow, and blue one is soft. This is kneaded eraser. It's like clay kind of thing. It can be molded in any shape you want to, okay? And its purpose is just to remove the excess graphite from your drawing. For instance, let's just imagine that I want to remove the excess graphite from this portrait outline because I want to shade it. So what I will do is I will dab the kneaded eraser over the lines and see, it will get lighter. It will remove the excess graphite from the outlines. Obviously, a scale as well, a paper cutter that you will use to sharpen your charcoal pencil, as you can't use sharpener because it will break your charcoal lead, so you have to sharpen the pencils using a paper cutter always. And the most important tool, mono eraser. It has like a small tip around 2.3 millimeters. It is very sharp. You can sharpen it easily as well, you don't have to cut it. This tool is used to create highlights in hair or everywhere you want to put highlights in your portrait. This tool is exceptional. This is electric eraser. Mono eraser is used for the same purpose. Electric eraser is used where you have to create the brightest highlights, like in the eye or in the jewelry. You should also have some refills of mono eraser, as mono eraser is most used tool, so the eraser will get reduced soon. So you should have some refills of it. This is highlighter pen and also known as white gel pen. This pen is only used in eyes, in watery effect or in jewelry. This is normal mechanical eraser that comes with two refills and a body, and also a refill is inside the body. It's easy and comfortable to hold, that's why we use it. It's not necessary to have. If you don't have it, you can just simply use a normal eraser. This is compressed charcoal powder stick and it's also an important tool to have. This is used to create the powder and to create that black pitch shades in the portrait. A normal mechanical pencil, that's a graphite pencil. If you don't have this one, you can go with a normal pencil as well. The next tool we have is makeup brushes. You should have them because it's used for the blending or shading purpose. A round brush, a small round brush, and a flat brush. These three brushes are needed. And this one is exceptional. It's small, you can use it in lips, but you can go with the flat brush also if you don't have that. You should have the blending stumps as well, okay? If not all of them, you should have a small and a bigger one. You should have a masking tape as well. If you don't have that, you can simply go with a cello tape, but you will have to remove the excess pasting of the tape. For instance, let's imagine that I want to create a border on this portrait. I will just simply mask up the border and then I will start to draw. The next thing you should have is a Brustro artistic drawing paper. It's a charcoal and color pencil paper, you can use it. Okay, it's a medium surface. All the instructions are written that you can use pencil, pens, charcoal, pastels and inks on this paper. It's of A3 size, 160 GSM. I got 30 sheets in this pack. Acid free means it will not get pale yellow like newspaper gets, even if it's 2 or 3 years old. It's fixative. It's a spray that you use on your charcoal or pastel artworks to secure them. It gives a protective layer above them and will not let them get smudged. these are some beautiful artworks that I created on 160 GSM Bluestro Artistic Drawing Paper. Thank you so much for watching the full video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.